Hello, all the student and guardian. Welcome to the Grammar Village. English is the key to success of our life. Yes, yes. Don't forget it. Today, I will discuss about what W. W. What is the correct accent of W? What is the correct accent of W? What is the correct accent of W? So now I will match with the W with picture word. So word we can see. Oh my God, so big. What? While. W for while. W for for while. While কোথায় বাস করে? সমুদ্রে, সিতে বাস করে, right? So big. W for for well. W for for well. Okay, then word. Oh, nice, tasty, big watermelon. Yeah, W for watermelon. W for watermelon. 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 So tasty, yummy. Yeah, yes, so tasty. Okay, then what is this? Oh, dangerous, fire, help me, save me, fire. Oh my God. Okay, never touch and never go to fire because fire burn ourselves. So be careful and stay far away from the fire. So W for worm. Fire কেমন? গরম কিন্তু. Okay, so worm. W for worm. W for worm. What is the next picture? Oof. What is this? W for oof. Yes, this is the sound of oof. What is this? The sound of oof. W for oof. What is the sound of W? For oof. Okay? Yes. Then what is this? This is a nice bird. It is called woodpecker. What is this? This is a woodpecker. Okay? So W for woodpecker. W for woodpecker. Woodpecker. Yes, got it? Yes. Now I shall give revision. W for well. W for watermelon. W for worm. W for oof. W for woodpecker. Okay? Yes. Bye.